Welcome along to Training for Safety with our winter safety tips. Just going to touch on gas heating appliances or other types of heating that you may have as well. There'll be a separate session that we'll do on fireplaces, but this one we're going to talk around gas and other types. So the things we could have there with our gas heating, you could have a fixed gas type heater which could be vented or ducted outside, which have got a whole lot of built-in safety measures with them, which is great. With any gas appliance that you're using for heating, it is really important that you must make sure that it's in good working order. If there's any doubt, we need to get it checked by a proper approved person. We don't want to take chances with a gas leak. If you're using a portable type LPG heater and you're bringing that into your home, you need to be so careful with these. Make sure you do have a gas detector, so if there was ever a leak, that it is going to pick that up. There's also the danger of the flame that small children can touch or objects can come in contact with it. So it's something, it is a good means of heating, but it has got some real big dangers. So our advice would probably be to look at other ways to heat. LPG heaters that are not vented are going to create a lot of condensation as well. So maybe you're better off to look at other alternatives like your oil-filled type heaters. So looking at other types of heating, that could be a radiant heater, a fan heater, or an oil bar type heater. They've all got their pros and cons. But with any heating element, it's really important that if it was to be knocked over, we want to make sure that we're going to minimize any risks there as well. So oil bar type heaters are probably the most safest to use at home, and then we'd also have things like heat pumps and panel heaters and things like that. With your fan heaters, the danger to those, of course, is if they are knocked, then the heat flow can be aimed against a curtain or a wall, which could lead to a fire. So be safe, check it out, do your homework. We want you to stay warm, but we also want you to stay alive and be safe.